So, hello everyone. My name is F. John Kiaot, base IT students who created systems, and the title of my system is Flood Risk Awareness Flood Risk Awareness Tracker. So, I created the system because of the current climate situation. Nowadays, flooding has become more frequent and observed. Some government projects meant to prevent floods are not properly implemented, which increase the risk in many communities. Because of because of this, I developed a flood risk monitoring system that tracks possible risks and provides early awareness. This system helps students to stay informed about potential flooding in their area so they can prepare in advance and avoid danger. By using my system, students can stay updated on possible flood risk, prepare necessary safety measures early, avoid panic during emergency, protect themselves and their families. So this system is not just an app, is it a tool for safety and preparedness. Being informed can save lives, and I encourage all students to use this system so we can be more aware, responsible, and ready for any possible flood situation. So anyone ask about how to access my flood risk. So first is open your mobile phone or computer. So second is go to your web, search search as a Google Chrome, type the link. I provide this link, then log in using your student's ID and password. Once logged in, you will be able to view the current flood risk level in your area, receive early warning notification, check safety guidelines and preparedness steps, monitor possible flood outcomes based on weather conditions. So whether sa imong input nga type of millimeters. So this system is designed to be a user-friendly, accessible anytime and anywhere, allowing students to stay informed and prepare before a flood happens. By accessing these systems regularly, students can make smarter decisions, so you know that ensure the safety and avoiding being caught and unprepared during a flood emergency. So that's all everyone. Thank you.